Hello. All right. Well, welcome to LeetCode problem 515. We're going to find the largest value in each tree row. We're going to use this. We're going to do this by using breadth first search, or BFS. So, given the root of a binary tree, return an array of the largest value in each row of the tree. So the largest value in each level of the tree, which each level is found by using BFS. So we'll check this first level, and obviously the only one there is 1, so we'll return 1. Second level, 3 is greater than 2. And then third level, 9 is greater than 5 and 3. So basically we just need to do a regular BFS on this tree. And for each node, we need to check if it is the max of its level and add it to an answer array. So start let q. I'll initialize q with a root value, and then I will initialize an answer array with nothing in it yet, and then while q.length. So while there's something in the queue, and when we get to that final level, the next add we'll have nothing in it, so we will break this condition of having something in our queue, and we will exit the while loop. So while q.length, we can get the size of each level. So q.length, so for this third level it'll be 3. So level size, and then we can create a queue that'll store the values of the next queue we need to do on our next iteration. And then we can iterate through each row or level. So for let I equal 0, level size So we're going to iterate through each node in our level based on the level size, so we don't go over. So each one through, and then we'll get our node. So we'll iterate through the queue that we currently have, which would be each level. Each queue represents a level. So qi, and then we need to update our. Oh, sorry, I forgot the important part to solve this problem. So to return the max value at each level, we need to initiate infinity a max value of negative infinity. So when we find something that's greater than it, we can update it. So I'll do max val equals max val, and then node.val. So it'll check the value of the node, and it'll update the max through this iteration. So basically through each node in each level, it'll check the max value of each and update max if necessary. And then execute left. And then we do our basic BFS of returning the left and right nodes of each node into our next queue. So we have the next queue to iterate through. Push no dot right. Okay, so now in this next queue we've got, so if we were just traversing through this second level, now in this queue we will have, on this first iteration we'd have 5 and 3, and then we would loop through that second node, and then we would add the 2 to this next queue, so we'd have 5, 3, or we'd add 9, so we'd have 5, 3, and 9 in this next queue value. And we can assign q to this next queue value, so when we're looping through again, we have something in our queue, so our while loop is continuing, and then we will iterate through the size of that queue and repeat the process for that level. So I also need to push, let's see, what am I pushing? Yeah, max val. So we'll push the max value found in each level to our answer, and then we can just return answer. That should work. It works.